Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. A big victory is nearing you. Struggle hard to achieve. By Baba's grace, everything will be success. Sai says, medicine is always bitter, but it works for better improvement of the patient. Sometimes God also behaves bitterly with his devotees, but there is something good in that. God will give bitter treatment only if there is something good for his devotees. In today's video, we will be going through the story of Mr. Harishchandra Pitale. There was a gentleman by name Harishchandra Pitale in Mumbai. He had a son who suffered from epilepsy. He tried many allopathic and Ayurvedic physicians, but there was no cure. There remained only one way of remedy, that is, resorting to the saints. It has been stated in chapter 15 that Das Ganu by his inimitable and splendid kirtans spread the fame of Sai Baba in the Mumbai presidency. Mr. Pitale heard some of these kirtans in 1910 and learned from the kirtans and others that Baba with his touch and mere glance cured many incurable diseases. Then a desire arose in his mind to see Sai Baba. Making all preparations and taking offerings and fruit basket, Mr. Pitale came to Shirdi with his wife and children. He then went to the masjid with them, prostrated before Baba and placed his sick son at Baba's feet. No sooner did Baba see the child than an untoward thing happened. The son immediately revolved his eyes and fell down senseless. His mouth began to throw foam and his whole body began to perspire profusely. And it seemed as if he was breathing his last. Seeing this, the parents became very nervous and upset. The boy used to get such fits very often, but this fit seemed to persist long. Tears began to flow ceaselessly from the mother's eyes, and she began to wail that her condition was like that of a person who, being afraid of the robbers, ran into a house which collapsed on him, or like a cow fearing a tiger, ran into the hands of a butcher, or like a devout person going for worship into a temple which collapsed upon him. Baba comforted her, saying, "Do not wail like this. Wait a bit, have patience. Take the boy to your lodging. He will come to his senses within half an hour." They did as directed by Baba and found that his words came true. As soon as he was taken into the Vada, the boy recovered and all the Pitale family and others were very happy. And all their doubts disappeared. Then Mr. Pitale went with his wife to see Baba and prostrated himself before him very humbly and respectfully and sat shampooing his legs and mentally thanking Baba for his kind help. Baba then smilingly said, "Have not all your thoughts, doubts and apprehensions calmed down now? Hari, Lord will protect him who has got faith and patience." The remaining story will be continued in the next video. Bow to Shri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, do comment, like and share. Thank you.